We love Granny Fanny.
I
almost
love
called her Fanny. Oh my gosh, Granny Franny. That's a tongue twister.
That is I should practice that before I do the show.
Like just when I think that like my dog's name is unique, like you don't hear of dogs being like called Fitz, but then you hear of like Granny Franny, and then it makes me think of this woman. Her name is Deborah on TikTok, and she just got, I think, a golden doodle, and she named it Emerald Jade Greenball.
Oh my goodness, that is a tongue twister in its own.
And I think she has a dog that is a senior dog like that one as well, and her name is Lita Beta Boda Bee.
Oh, now I wonder if that's, I don't know, the age, that's how the name correlates.
I don't know, but I can tell you one thing is that we're seeing some rain right now on our Fox 54 radar, and we are going to continue to see it heading throughout the rest of this Saturday night. We've got that cold front moving through, so if you enjoyed the warmer weather, well, it's still going to be warm tomorrow, but just not as warm. We will be in the 60s for tomorrow, so getting rid of the 80s for just a little while here. I promise it will return heading into the ending of next week. So that cold front starting to move through. It's already moved through portions of Lauderdale, Colbert, Franklin counties, but it will continue to bring rain here across the Tennessee Valley. We're really starting to see it pick up, especially heading into Lawrence County, potentially into Limestone County. You see that heavier pockets of rain, but we're also picking up on a little bit of lightning into Marshall County. Zooming it in just a little bit, you can see just to the south of Grant, probably seeing some very heavy rainfall getting close into Gunnersville, Albertville, seeing those lightning strikes move through Gunnersville right now as well. So this will continue to move towards the north and the east. So Alexander Subdivision, Kirbytown, Langston going to be next to see this heavier pocket of rain throughout the next, I would say probably 15 to 30 minutes. Now we do have weather impact alert in place now through at least early tomorrow morning. We're thinking right around 7 a.m. But the rain should be out of here for much of us by then, but we're going to keep it running for until 7 a.m. Just through those straggling showers that we could see behind the main rain that's expected to move through the overnight tonight. So like I said, it's just for rain showers, not expected to see severe weather. And the reason we did this is because most places will have some sunrise services tomorrow morning. And of course, it could be raining for some of us. So definitely want to have that rain gear handy for tomorrow. So throughout the overnight tonight, we'll start to see this rain taper off a little bit. Western side of the Tennessee Valley will start to clear out right around 4 a.m. Into the 5 a.m. hours, but we are going to keep the cloud conditions in the forecast through a good majority of tomorrow as well. We're still going to be seeing rain, I would say, along and east of I-65 until about 6 a.m., 7 a.m., but notice, like I said, we could see a few straggling showers back behind that main system that's expected to move through. So I would feel very comfortable giving you the all clear at about 7 a.m. So we're not expected to see this rain all day tomorrow. By about lunchtime, we're definitely going to be in the clear by then. But like I mentioned earlier, we're still expected to see mostly clouds through tomorrow as well. So even though it is still going to be gloomy, it's not going to be raining throughout most of tomorrow. So that 30% chance for tomorrow, it's going to be coming in the morning. And then we're dry beginning tomorrow late morning hours until about this time next week. I have no rain in the forecast after tomorrow through the next 7 days. So outside right now, we're starting to see that rain on the roadway here right outside of the parkway. It's about 66 right now. Those dew points kind of matching those temperatures. So what that means basically is it's just very humid outside right now, which is expected because we've had a lot of moisture build into the atmosphere as well. Temperatures are starting to cool down, especially areas that have already seen the rain. Mid-60s right now in Florence. We're sitting at 70 here in Huntsville. 63 degrees right now in Coleman. Still sitting at 73 right now in Scottsboro. But I can tell you once that rain starts to move through those temperatures, that'll be following along with it. So for the overnight tonight, more northern areas probably going to dip into the upper 40s. Majority of us look to stay in the low 50s for the overnight tonight, and a few thunderstorms could be mixed in with the rain, but I really am expecting most of this to be rain. We also could continue to see elevated wind speeds throughout the overnight as well. This is looking at right now about 10 miles per hour right now in Moulton, 12 in Fayetteville, so it could get kind of breezy at times. So after 7 a.m. tomorrow, we should be dry for the rest of tomorrow. Notice by lunch we're in the low 60s. That's how we'll stay heading into the afternoon tomorrow, and we'll start to see that sun peek out a little bit as well. So after tomorrow, I have no rain in the forecast. Once those temperatures tomorrow drop as well, we'll start to rise. We'll be back in the low 70s by middle of next week, and then by about this time next week, high temperatures will be back in the low 80s.